Hello guys, welcome to this channel, my flight channel. So I started my flight channel here. Here we have extreme landing game where we have Airbus A340. Airbus A340 has the most good safety record ever without any fatalities. But anyways, sadly that A340 is now being replaced by A350, which is going to take over, which is much more advanced compared to A340. Here, let's see how to land this plane. So let's get started. So now I'm going to take a zero fault, and at Sacramento airport here the sky is clear. So let's get to the game. Okay, so it's quite now it's now quite easy, isn't it now? So now I can see it's night. So since we are almost like good aligned at the runway, so we am going to reduce my thrust and then gear down. Engines are perfect. Landing 3. So if you want, let's have a cockpit view. Here we have ADI and we have a heading mode here. So 205, and then oh god, I don't want to increase my speed so much, so else it might lead to stall. So I think almost. So come on, pitch up. Okay, it's a little hard landing, isn't it? So this is how you land a plane. Now it has to come to a complete stop. But if you think that we have to perform a go around mode, we can do that too. So I'll show that in the next video of how to perform go around.